Back at the 3-unit getting the trash out day. We are finally getting this cellar cleaned out, and kind of excited because it's one more thing on my list from the city that I have to get taken care of. Let's go check on the progress of this thing. So they've been here for a little bit already, making quick work of this stuff. Let's go check out this creepy basement. It'll be a little less creepy here in a minute. Coming along good. Still got that to do. Boys are cleaning it out. Got a bunch of this crap out already. And cleaner that in here. And we still got to get through in here, but all this crap is leaving here today, and I am very excited. I need a favor. Can you hit that like button for me? I would really appreciate it, and it helps the channel out a lot. Now, let's get back to the video. Now we are inside at the upper unit here, and we had our building code inspection, and we passed half, which is half good. So now we got to get one more person out to do an extra drawing, and that should close that out. Now we are going to pull the dishwasher out because I never provide them. I just came with it, so we're moving that, and we'll cover it up. And then I have somebody coming to pick up the washer and dryer, so I got to get those out as well. And yeah, just more joys as a property owner, investor here in the great state of Maryland. Well, it is now unhooked, but I got a big puddle of water here, so I gotta go find something to clean this up with. Are you getting value out of this? If you would, hit that like button for me. Now, let's get back to the video. All right, let's head back down to the creepy basement and see how the boys are doing down there. Looking good, boys. And we still got a whole big pile of, looks like mostly metal in there. Extra dusty. All right, so this was mostly cleaned out in here. Oh yeah, looking good, gosh. And you guys are knocking this out quick. I like it. All right, we got the dishwasher out. That was a pain in the butt. Got to get my plumber to come cap those lines. Now we got to get this washing machine out of here. So I don't mess the floor up by dragging this thing across. I got a cleanout crew downstairs. I'm gonna go grab them and have them put this thing out on the porch. Mission success. Washer's out, we got the dryer out, and stuck them out here on the porch. As I said earlier, I got them sold. So dishwasher's gonna go, washer and dryer are gonna go. And we're doing second load right now. Let me clean up in here and then we'll head downstairs to take a look at that. Hey, real quick, can you hit that like button for me? I appreciate you, thanks. Got everything we could done here today. We're gonna go check that basement one more time. I think the guys have like one more load to get out of there, and one more checkbox to getting this place rent ready. All right, final load to go. I already got it pulled out. Let's take one last look. Oh yeah. Now we're cooking with peanut oil. That's gotta go. Gotta go. All right, so we still gotta get rid of that pipe, that bench, that really old furnace that I think has been here since the dawn of time. That is the stuff that's actually useful, so I can keep that. But a whole lot different down here, that's for sure.